Are you a retired person like me who is looking for steady monthly income without the hassle of picking individual stocks? In this video, I'm going to talk about low to medium risk, monthly paying Canadian dividend ETFs or the exchange traded funds traded on the Toronto Stock Exchange in Canadian dollars. It is perfect for retirees looking for a predictable cash flow and long-term stability. So let's jump in. When you are in retirement like me, consistency is everything. Monthly paying ETFs help me to pay for my monthly expenses. Number two, I avoid selling stocks during the market downturn. Number three, I have a reliable source of income like a pension. And number four, it helps me with budgeting and cash flow. And the best part, these ETFs are low to medium risk. They pay monthly. They have a reasonably good yield of the distribution. And the best part, they have the dividend growth. And also they are traded in Canadian dollars on the Toronto Stock Exchange, so you don't have to worry about the exchange rates. In this video, I'm going to discuss 3 ETFs in detail. These have reasonably good yield, and the best part is they have a very good dividend growth. In one of the recent videos, I have shown why dividend growth is very important for long-term wealth building. Hello, my name is David Dance, a retired engineer, and you're watching my YouTube channel, Think and Retire. I have retired from my corporate job 10 years ago in 2015, and I've been trading in the US and the Canadian stock market since the late 1990s, so for over 25 years. I see there are a lot of people who watch my videos have not subscribed to my channel yet. Please consider subscribing and pressing the bell icon so you're notified whenever I upload new videos. Watch this video till the end, because after I finish discussing those 3 ETFs, I'm going to give a list of 5 domestic fixed income ETFs with a reasonably good yield. And then I'm going to give you additional 5 ETFs for Canadian equity. And if you need more volatility, I have also listed 4 covered call ETFs traded in the Canadian exchange in Canadian dollars. The first ETF that I'm going to talk in detail has a ticker symbol ZMI. It's by Bank of Montreal, and it's called the BMO Monthly Income ETF. The inception date is January 2011. The management expense ratio is 0.20%. Asset under management is $191.8 million, and the yield is 4.57%. Distribution in 2021 was 0.66, and in 2024, 0.84, so it has increased, and the increase was 8.37% compound annual growth rate. $10,000 invested about 10 or 11 years ago has grown to $17,847. This ETF has 58.5% equity and 24% fixed income. In terms of the region, it has 23.45% in the Canadian stock market and 58% in the US stock market. In terms of the sectors, the financial is 22%, the tech is 18.5%, healthcare is 12.5%, and the energy is 9.2%. The second ETF on my list has a ticker symbol XEI. It's by iShares, and it is called iShares SPX TSX Composite High Dividend ETF. It has a 4-star rating by Morningstar. The inception date is April 2011. The management expense ratio 0.22%. It has the asset under management 2.6 billion, and the yield is 4.97%. The distribution in 2021 was 93 cents. In 2024 was 1.4991, so there's a 17.25% growth of dividend in the last 3 years. The $10,000 invested about 10 or 11 years ago has grown to $24,887. This ETF is comprised of 99.7% equity. It's all based in Canada. In terms of the sector breakdown, the financial is 30%, energy 32%, utilities 12%, communication services 9%. The third ETF on my list is by Vanguard, the ticker symbol VDY. It's called Vanguard Canadian High Dividend Yield. It has a 5-star rating. The inception date is November 2012. Expense ratio, the management expense ratio is 0.22%. It has the asset under management $5.1 billion. The yield is 3.53%. It is 100% equity. The Canadian portion is almost 99%. Financial is 57% in terms of the sector contribution. Energy is 26%, and utility is 5%. The distribution in 2021 was 1.5428. 2024 distribution was 2.1577. So the growth of the dividend was 11.83%. The $10,000 invested about 11 years ago has grown to $29,567. Now I'm going to present a list of 5 domestic fixed income ETFs. It has a good yield, but again, it doesn't have the growth. I have checked all of them. The dividend amount has all been steady for the last 3 to 5 years. If you want a little bit more safety, this may be a way to go, but again, dividend growth is very, very limited. Now I'm going to present a list of 5 more Canadian equity ETFs. You can see that some of them have high dividend yield. Please do your own research if you want to invest in these ETFs. And at the last, if you need more volatility and you need some creativity in your investing portfolio, I have listed 4 covered call ETFs which are traded in Canadian dollars in Toronto Stock Exchange. Again, these have medium to high risk. Do your own research before investing in these ETFs. So there you have it. If you found value in this video, please like and share. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so and press the bell icon so you're notified whenever I upload new videos. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time. Happy investing.